For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com.
In this video lecture, I will explain you basic rules in foundation design. Okay. So in my previous videos, I was already covered what are the basic rules we need to follow for the column section design as well as the beam section design. Okay. So in this video, I will cover you concepts which is related to the basic rules which is followed for the foundation design section. Okay. So basically, for the foundation design section, if you are designing the building which is related to ground story or G+1 or G+2 building structural model, we need to follow the basic rules. Okay. So these are the basic 9 points we need to follow as per the considerations. Okay. So which is divided into dimensions and reinforcement and cover, materials and other property. Okay. So in that first one is dimensions command. Okay. So basically if you design the foundation section for the ground story, minimum we have to follow the dimensions which is related to the 4 feet cross 4 feet cross 4 feet. Okay. Which is having the length as well as width and height. Okay. Which is minimum of 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay. So this is the basic rules as per the dimensions. Okay. And the second one is related to the reinforcement and cover value. Okay. So basically these are the 3 points which is comes under the reinforcement as well as the cover values. Okay. So in that first one is 50 mm cover minimum we need to use for the concrete block. Okay. So let us consider, just I am drawing the 3D diagram which is related to the foundation. So let us take, this is a 3D which is related to the foundation for the respected block, which is consisting of approximately of 1 meter as well as this 1 meter length and width and height. Okay. So for this respected section, initially we need to use the concrete cover block under the foundation. So this is the foundation under. So in this we need to use at least a minimum of 50 mm cover. Okay. Basically the below section is which is consisting of 50 mm cover we need to use before construction of the foundation section. Okay. So this is the first one we need to follow for the concrete block under the foundation. And the second one is reinforcement bars. So reinforcement bars is also most important section. So if you use the higher reinforcement of the bars, there is a chance of getting the higher value of the strength. Okay. So due to that reason, we need to increase the grade of the concrete also. Okay. To overcome that respected problems, we need to fix the minimum dimensions of the reinforcement bars. Okay. Basically, if you construct a ground floor building or G+1 building structural model, we will use 8 mm diameter bar or 10 mm diameter bar for the building considerations. Okay. So this is the second point under the reinforcement cover, reinforcement values as well as the cover section. And the third section is foundation thickness minimum of 400 mm. So this is the third point we need to keep in mind before designing of the foundation section. Okay. So after laying this respected cover PCC, we need to insert a foundation thickness block. Okay. So this is a concrete block we need to take, which is consisting of approximately of 400 mm section. Okay. So this is the third point we need to keep in mind under the reinforcement section. Okay. So next one is materials and other properties. Okay. So basically materials is nothing but the grade of the concrete and grade of the steel we need to use for the respected foundation design. For the building design section, we will use M20 or M15 grade concrete under consideration. So the respected values will be helpful for the ground floor or G+1 building. So here also for the foundation section, the concrete grade should be less than or equal to, not less than 20 minimum. Okay. So here we have to use minimum of M20 grade concrete for construction of the foundation section. Okay. And the second one is foundation construction will be processed after the PCC bed construction process. Okay. So before construction of foundation thickness, which is consisting of approximately 400 mm, initially we need to construct the PCC bed. Okay. So this is the PCC bed. On that respected PCC bed, we need to construct a block which is consisting of 400 mm. Okay. So 400 mm is the section we need to construct. Okay. And this is the second point we need to keep in mind under the section of the foundation after PCC. And the PCC bed, the material property we need to take as M10 grade concrete. Okay. So M10 grade concrete is the minimum value we need to keep in mind for the construction of the building section. Okay. Firstly, we have to construct the foundation PCC bed. After that PCC bed, we need to construct the foundation, which is consisting of approximately of M20 grade concrete we need to keep in mind. So under that we need to take the PCC bed, which is consisting of approximately of M10 grade concrete. Okay. So these are all the basic rules we need to follow the foundation design under considerations. So which is consisting of the dimension section, reinforcement section as well as your respected materials and other property. Under the dimension section we need to follow length should not be less than 1 meter and width should not be less than 1 meter and height should not be less than 1 meter for the respected foundation, okay, which is approximately consisting of 4 feet, and this is also 4 feet, and this is also 4 feet approximately, not an accurate value, this is approximately value. So we need to use the dimensions here, and the reinforcement cover which is consisting of the block is 50 mm cover we need to use for the foundation section, which is consisting of 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. Okay, again for the respective reinforcement bars we need to use minimum of 8 mm and 10 mm in horizontal or vertical section. For the foundation section, we will use the horizontal bars and vertical section bars. Depends upon a building consideration, we will use this respected bar minimum as 8 or 10. Okay, so this is a basic requirement as per the foundation design. And the foundation thickness we need to take as 400 mm is the minimum value. This is not a maximum value, not accurate value. This is the minimum value we need to keep in mind for the respected foundation section. And next one is materials and other properties. So this is also one of the most important step in foundation design. So for the respected construction of the building section, we will use M15 grade or M20 grade or M25 grade or M40 grade, depends upon the consideration. But for the respected foundation design, minimum grade of the concrete should be used as M20 grade only, okay, which is consisting of approximately 1:1, 1.5:3 value for the respected proportion, okay, for the M20 grade concrete. And the foundation after PCC bed. So initially we need to construct the PCC bed for the foundation, which is consisting of 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter. So for this respected 1 meter, 1 meter, 1 meter, initially we need to construct the PCC bed. So on that respected PCC bed, we have to construct the foundation. This is foundation for the respected section. Okay, so next one is PCC bed. So basically for the foundation design, we are using the minimum grade of the concrete is M20 grade here, and for the PCC bed also we need to use the grade of the concrete is approximately M10 grade concrete. Okay, so there is no value which is should not be used under the M10 grade concrete for the PCC bed for the foundation design section. Okay, so this is a complete concept. If you have any queries about this respected video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box. I will try to give the answer for that respected questions. For more information regarding the civil engineering concept, please follow our website. I will provide you the website link in the below description of this respected video. Thank you.
For more information related to the civil engineering concepts and civil engineering updates, please visit my website civilbasics123.com. Go to type civilbasics123.com in Google so that my website will be open here like this. So which is consisting of all detailed concepts related to the civil engineering topics. So please follow my website civilbasics123.com.